This is a visit of Basic Health Unit Tando Kolachi. You can see that this is a building, and I was on the round in the early morning on 9th August 2020, and you can see the board, you can see the monogram of PPHI. PPHI stands People's Primary Health Care Initiative, started using the last People's Government or Benazir Bhutto government. The newly renovated building is in front of you, and with this I think the Tando Kolachi has got a regular 724 hours around the clock services. This is the board where almost all the services available, including antenatal care, ultrasound, and other facilities, are available to the community. And it was interesting that a solar system was also there. When I visited, I met with the staff. The LHW or LHV or paramedical staff was available, and the maternity and emergency care was given. She is traveling almost 40 kilometers daily from village Bodar Farm in district Umarkor, where I got my early school education. So this was an interesting incident or coincidence that I went to their village Bodar Farm to get education. At that time in my village only primary education was available, and now college education is available, and that facility where the English or the 6-7 class was available is not still even at the college level. So look at how the things change with the time. And I asked them that your posting in Tando Kolachi is coincident, or you are just repeating the history? I went to your village, so you are getting a compensation, you are having the job in Tando Kolachi and salary from this village. So the Dr. Amna and Dr. Male doctors are there, and even the newly constructed building has a very good medical officer and lady doctor office. Lot of charts are there, the number of patients are there, and if I can correctly see that in the last year 17,000 patients were treated, and the number increased in 2021 to 19,000. So from 17,000 to 19,000. This chart shows that the data of the patient and other things are also mentioned, and this is the doctor's office. It shows the number of cases and other services available in a chart form. So this is a very good record keeping, as well as to understand the data and the utilization of the services of Basic Health Unit Tando Kolachi. Dr. Hussain Bash Kolachi YouTube channel will take you to such facilities we call as a primary health care. And now after the Astana declaration, before it was Alma Ata declaration 1978, but Astana declaration was passed in 2018. That is universal health coverage, and this facility is basically giving access to the local population at their doorstep. And we appreciate the services of PPHI Tando Kolachi and hope that this center will not only serve with full dedication, but will also be upgrading the services, including the rabies prevention, snake bite, as well as other common problems, and the vaccination of the COVID and other common vaccine preventable diseases. We call them VDC. So that is one of the important aspect of Basic Health Unit Tanda Kolachi, which we have visited today on 8th August 2022 when I was on leave at my village. Once again, I thank Dr. Tahira, Dr. Amna, and the staff available there. Because of the Ashura, the ambulance is there. In that way, the services are outreach as well as indoor services are available. Once again, Dr. Hussain Kolachi, you too, welcome.